and search for zapier.com. Now press enter and it will take you to this site. Click get started. Here enter your details to create an account, or you can sign up at one of these options. I'm going to use my Google account. So let's click sign up with Google. Then select your account. Okay, so now we have successfully created our account on Zapier. Once you've created your account, next let's go to step 2, which is to connect the app with Gmail. So to connect it, let's fill up these details. Click here and type Adalo. Then click on it. Now to send email to our customers, click here, enter Gmail and then click on it. Now here you need to select when you want to send emails to your customers. I want to send emails to my customers whenever I receive a new order. So just click here and select new record. Then click here and select send email. Once you're done, click try it. Okay, so now we have connected the app with Gmail. Next, let's go to step 3, which is to connect Zapier with your Adalo account. So to connect it, click sign in to Adalo. And here you need to enter the login details of your Adalo account. Now click sign in. Then click allow. And then click continue. Okay, we have now successfully connected our Zapier account with Adalo. Once you connect it, next you need to select when you want to send the email to your customers. So just click here and select your app name. Now click here and select when you want to send the email to your customers. As I want to send the email to my customers after they place an order, I'm going to select the order received collection which we created before. This means Zapier will get the order details from this collection. And now click continue. Okay, now let's check how it works. So if we click test trigger, here you can see that we have got the order details which we placed earlier. Now click continue. And again click continue. Okay, now here you need to select the Gmail account from which you want to send emails to your customers. So just click here and select your account. Or if you want to send email from another account, click use another account and select the account you want. I'm going to select this and click allow. And then click continue. Okay, once you've selected your Gmail account, next you need to set up your mail content. First, you need to select to whom you want to send your email. As we want to send email to our customers, let's click here and select user email. If you want to receive a copy of the email which is sent to your customers, click here and enter your email ID. Now click here and select the mail account from which you want to send the email. I'm going to select this one and then enter your app name here. I'm going to enter food dial. Now here you need to enter the subject of the email. I'm going to enter that. And next, let's create a body of the email. Now type the message you want. Let's type hey. And to display the customer name, just select user. Now to display the order details, let's enter a message. And to get the order ID, type order ID, then scroll down, select order ID. And then to get the food item name, type order item and select food item. And now the food item name will be displayed. Okay, in the same way, you can enter all the other details like the item price and the address. Once you're done, click continue. And here you can see the details which we entered earlier. So have a look at these details. Now if you want to send the test email, you can click test and continue. I'm going to skip it. And once you've set up the email, now to start sending email to your customers, just enable this option. Okay, now you will be able to send emails to your customers. To check that, let's go back to Adalo. Click Preview. Now let's try to place an order on our app. So click Order Now on any of the product. And it will take them to this order page. Now here they need to fill up these details. Then enter the payment details. And if they click Pay Now, their order will be placed on our app. Okay, once the customer places an order, now if they go to the inbox, you can see that they have got an email. Now if they open it, you can see that they have got all the details of the order. Okay, as soon as someone places an order on your app, now if we go to our inbox, you can see that we have received an email. And if you open it, you can see all the details about the order your customer has made. So this is how you can send emails to your customers when they place an order on your app. Okay, now let's say you want to add a navigation bar to your app like this. How can you do that? So to add the navigation bar, let's go back to Adalo and click Navigation. Now drag this element and drop it here. As you can see, the navigation bar has been added. Now each item in the navigation bar is represented as tabs here. Now let's say you want to remove any of the tabs. Just click on the tab and disable the option. I'm going to remove these tabs. So let's click here and disable this option. As you can see, the tab has been removed. In the same way, you can remove the other tabs you want. Once you're done, now let's say you want to change the icon of this tab. So just click on the tab and remove this icon. Now to add your own icon, click here and you will get different types of icons which you can add to your navigation bar. Now search for the icon you want. I'm going to search for Shop and then select this. Now to change the name of this tab, let's remove this and enter the name you want. I'm going to enter My Orders. Okay, once you've done that, now if someone clicks on this My Order tab, you want to take your customer to the My Order page. So to do that, you need to link this tab with the My Orders page. So let's click Add Action. Now go to the link and click My Orders. So now we have linked our order tab with the My Order page. Okay, once you've done that, now to add the navigation bar to this page, just click on the navigation bar and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And the copy of the navigation bar will be created. Now just drag and drop the navigation bar here. As you can see, the navigation bar has been added. In the same way, you can add the navigation bar to this page. Okay, we need to link this home tab so that when someone clicks here, it will take them to the home page. To do that, click here and click Add Action. Then go to Link and click Home. So now when someone clicks on this home tab, it will take them to the home page. Okay, now when a customer reaches the My Orders page, we need the Orders tab to be active. To do that, click here. Then click here. Select the second tab. And then the My Order tab will be active. By default, the Home tab will be active. Okay, once you've added the navigation bar, next, let's see how it works. Click Preview. And now if you click on this My Order tab, you can see that it takes us to the My Order screen. So you can see that the tab has been active. Okay, this is how you can add the navigation bar to your app. Next, let's see how you can change the appearance of your app and make it look more attractive. To do that, just click here. Now let's say you want to change the color of your app. So just click here and change the color of the app from here. Now, if you're not sure which color you want to choose for your app, you can get help from a website called colorhunt.co to find different colors for your app. So let's open a new tab and search for colorhunt.co. You can see that we have got different colors which you can choose from. You can pick any color you want for the app. Now let's say you want to pick this color. So just go here and you will get the color code. Now to get the color code, you need to copy this code and paste it on your app. So let's click here to copy. Now go back to the Add Allo tab. Then paste the code here. And as you can see, the color of our app has been changed. Now to change the font style, click font. Then click here and select the font you want. I'm going to select this one. And as you can see, the font has been changed. This is how you can change the appearance of your app. So now we have successfully created our mobile app. So that's it guys. Now you know how you can create an app from scratch. And we have seen how a customer places an order on your site and how to send an email to your customers. Now you can publish this app online and anyone can purchase the product from your app. Now, okay. Also make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us.